After enjoying this beautiful scenery, we headed north to Yanshui district in Tainan. Yanshui was once an important hub for waterway transportation and trade. Today, the town still boasts many historical landmarks and buildings. The Octagon building was built in 1847. It was the site of the Yiliancheng trading house, which in today's term was a successful merchant's mansion. After walking for 3 minutes, we arrived at another nearby attraction, Yongcheng Theater. The Yongcheng Theater was one of the 3 major theaters in Yanshui. It's now been transformed into a multifunctional arts and cultural center.
Look at the line! I have to line up for Yanshui 意面. Yanshui is the birthplace of 意面, and it's also a must-eat street food in Tainan. Just look at the crowd, which means it's worth trying. Come on! There are many origins of 意面, but this one is my favorite. The original method of making 意面 is to add duck egg into the dough, which makes the dough firmer. So when kneading the dough, the maker has to exert a lot of force. So they will produce a sound like this. That's why it's called 面. Now I'm going to show you my favorite part of Yanshui. Look at the beautiful lanterns! It's only here during the Lantern Festival, which is on the 15th day of the first month in the lunar calendar.
In Taiwan, each city will hold its own Lantern Festival celebration to conclude the Lunar New Year and to pray for good fortune for the upcoming year. Cuisine Harbor in Yanshui, once the 4th largest harbor, has now become the site for the first Water Lantern Festival in Taiwan.
This Lantern Festival is just like a nighttime art gallery. It definitely is the perfect spot to take a night stroll.
If you ever get the chance to visit Tainan during the Lunar New Year, be sure to attend the Lantern Festival and Beehive Fireworks Festival. You will have an unforgettable experience.